All right, y'all. I got a special guest with me today. Brighton loves elevators.
Hello.
I finally was able to meet him here at Union Station today.
Yeah.
And today, I'm going to be revisiting the Northeast elevators and all the other banks of elevators in this video today.
Yeah. Here it is already. That was quick.
Alrighty.
Here we go.
Alrighty. 3?
Let's see.
Or I think 4. No, 3. No, 3's locked. Okay, 2. All right, let's see if we can go down to A. There we go.
A's open.
Alrighty. This one's still a Montgomery.
Yeah, I'm so glad they kept this one.
Yeah. There we are at A.
Yeah.
This looks like, I think this is like a restaurant or something.
Yeah, so on that 4.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 is locked, so we'll go back up to 1.
Yep. And I'm with 4 pigs, 4025.
Yeah. Alrighty. You coming down?
You coming out?
Going down, yeah.
Yeah.
Alrighty. To A?
A, yes.
Alrighty.
Here we go. All right, I'm going to zoom in and watch the line now.
Alrighty. Traction elevators are so smooth.
Yeah, that's so cool. Take
Like
care.
the smooth ride. Have a good day.
You too.
And happy holidays.
Thanks, you too.
All right.
Alrighty. Go back up to 1.
Really well. These are really cool.
Yeah, I think these are, they may be Innovation Universal fixtures. I'm
Yeah.
not 100% sure. But this is indeed a Montgomery.
Yep.
Alrighty. Yeah. Alrighty. There it goes.
There it goes.
And now off to the next elevator. Alrighty, here we come to the Southeast elevators now.
Yep, Southeast elevators. Here at Union Station.
Yep. And these have already been modernized.
Yep.
Let's see if we can go up.
Yep, and this one's first.
Alrighty.
Here we go.
Go ahead, do the honors. See.
Yep.
All right.
Was locked. So go to free.
3.
Yep.
All right, there we go.
Yep. I just wrote these a few minutes ago, so I kind of discovered it.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, these elevators were modded by Midwest.
Yep, that's correct. According to Missouri elevators, as he mentioned it.
Yep. Here we are at 3.
Go to 4.
Now let's see, how low can we go?
Yeah, usually these are the best of luck.
C is locked.
E.
Here we go.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, I think we're stopping at the lobby.
I think so.
Yeah. All right, here we are, the Southwest elevators. The Northwest elevators are a little too busy, so we're just going to film these and then we'll call it good.
Yep, and then almost one next direction.
Alrighty. These are the first ones I rode when they were modernized.
Yep. I filmed this one back in 2024, and it was pretty well as I remember.
Yeah, I think the last time I filmed these were, I think that was back in 2023.
Yep. We should get just a sec.
Yeah,
Slow. And this one is.
this one's probably a little bit of a slower traction.
Yes. I like the other ones that quick enough.
Yeah.
But I do love these ones. Oh, here it
Hey,
is.
there we go.
Got it.
Okay,
Oh, here we go.
here's your cab view.
Nice. Oh, here we go. Get it
Are you
again.
coming up?
Yep.
Which floor?
Third.
Good.
3?
Okay, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
I'll stand over on this side.
Got the red indicator here.
Yeah, this one's interesting when I saw filming this one.
Yeah.
There's the best one.
You have a good day.
Right.
Alrighty.
It's pretty cool. Look at
How
that.
low can we go here? We can go to B.
Yo, this one we can. Yeah, awesome.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure C is locked with this key card reader
Yep,
here.
badge. I managed to get down to B before I found you.
Oh, yeah?
I did on the
Yeah.
other ones we just wrote a minute ago.
Yeah. I actually came down here and, well, I don't think it was this floor. I think it was on the Northeast elevators.
Yep.
Alrighty.
As we might know, let's see if what's gonna be locked as I know.
Oh, no. Wait. It was unlocked. Oh, no, we're going, yeah, we're going up.
We? Oh wow. We
Oh no, we
it.
made it up to. Yeah, okay. It was locked actually.
Yeah. Coming down.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, come on in, y'all.
Coming down to 1?
2.
Oh, 2? Okay, we're going down to 1.
Yep, here we go. I really love these. I miss these when they were original.
Yeah.
This one used to have the voice, but they took it off for some
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh.
you want to? Are you coming down or? Oh, no.
Okay, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay.
This one's really interesting.
Yeah, it's got the black panel, and I think all of them do. Because the other one was just like an original Montgomery. Oh, here you can get a view out into the station over there.
It's pretty cool. I really love this station.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey. Pretty nice.
Alrighty. Alrighty. There it goes. And that's it. Alright. Here we are at the Link elevator here at Union Station.
Yeah.
Let's.
It's all here.
Yeah, I think it parks. I'm pretty sure it parks here.
Yeah. This is very interesting.
Alright, go ahead and press 2. This one's a hydraulic.
Yeah. Wow, that was quick.
You guys coming down?
Coming down? I'll do it, y'all, please.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Alrighty.
I think these might be.
You in it?
Yep, they're off. Tell you what, here we go. This is awesome.
Yeah.
I really love it.
Whoa, a little hard stop there.
Yeah, I had a little hard stop like that. Kind of scared me a little bit.
Yeah. Alright. I guess we'll go ahead and get off here.
All right,
I don't think we want to make it too long.
Yeah.
Hold up the line here.
Sorry about that. Excuse me. Yeah.
All right. I guess that'll be it.
That'll be it.